Would you like this for breakfast?
Melt the butter and add a little oil to prevent it from burning too quickly. Saute the garlic and onion. Stir well until the garlic becomes fragrant. Just be careful not to burn the garlic.
Add the mixed vegetables. There are plenty of them at the grocery store. Stir well to cook the mixed vegetables. Add the leftover rice to fry. Stir well and break apart the clumps of rice. Add the Funchow Kimchi mix. Mix well until the ingredients blend with the rice, add 1 teaspoon of salt. I added some more seasoning because I thought the flavor might still be lacking, even with the Funchow mix. Stir again. Garnish with spring onions. I decided to add the spring onion while cooking, so it's all done in one step. It's ready. Place the fried rice in a small bowl to mold it and transfer it to a plate afterward. Prepare a small pan to fry the egg. Add a little oil, it's clean. Crack one egg and make it sunny side up. Sprinkle a little seasoning on it. This is optional. Scoop a bit from under the egg to check if it's sticking to the pan. It's not. Nope, it's not. Repeat the process. I've already placed the egg on top of the fried rice. Place the hot dogs in the pan and cook for just a few seconds. Here is my fried rice with Funchow Kimchi mix. You should try it for breakfast too. It's delicious, it's affordable and easy to make. If you enjoyed watching my simple recipe, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Like and share my channel with your friends. Hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my upcoming delicious recipes. Thank you so much.